Were you caught being a cardinal, respectful, responsible, a learner, a leader?
2.
Here are kindergarten caught being a cardinal.
Hi, my name's Elena, and I'm from Mrs. Smith's class.
And my name is Clyde, and I'm from Mrs. Smith's class.
My name is Ian Dean, and I'm from Mrs. Rayburn's class.
My name is Marshall, and I'm from Mrs. Rayburn's class.
My name is Tenzin.
And who's your teacher?
Miss Bowman class. I am Cole, and I'm from Mrs. Bowman class.
2.
Here are first grade caught being a cardinal.
Hi, I'm Jonathan from Mrs. Hall-Smith's class.
Hi, I am Jonathan from Mrs. Hall-Smith's class.
Hi, I'm Pam, and I'm from Mrs. Hall-Smith's class.
I am Pam from Mrs. Hall-Smith's class.
Hi, my name is Jenna, and I'm from Mrs. Macia's class.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and I'm from Mrs. Macia's class.
I'm Evelyn, and I'm from Mr. Ross's class.
I'm Caitlin from Mr. Ross's class.
Congratulations. 2.
Here are second grade caught being a cardinal.
My name is Jordan from Mrs. Bentley's class. My name is Eddie from Mrs. Bentley's class.
My name is Carly from Mrs. Jacobs' class.
I'm Adam from Mrs. Jacobs' class.
Congratulations.
Here are fourth grade caught being a cardinal.
My name is Tristan Brannon,
Who's your
and I'm
teacher?
from Miss Elena's class.
My name's Liam, and I am from Mrs. Barbeau's class.
My name is Zoe from Mrs. Barbeau's class. My name is Holly from Mrs. Westman's class.
My name is Lillian from Mrs. Olanger's class.
I'm Leland from Mrs. Westman's class.
Congratulations, 4th grade.
Here are third grade caught being a cardinal.
I am Brody from Miss Hathaway's class.
I am Dakota from Mrs. Hamlin's class.
I am Anne from Mrs. Hamlin's class.
I am Max from Miss
Mrs. Hamlin's class?
I'm Easton from Mrs. Pinkham's class.
I'm Evelyn from Mrs. Hathaway's class.
I'm Carly from Mrs. Hathaway's class.
I'm Cole from Mrs. Pinkham's class.
Congratulations.
Are you a habit hero in the hallways, on the bus, in the classroom, on the playground, in the lunchroom? Please stand up if you received a habit hero slip this month. I'm a leader, you're a leader, we are leaders all. And when we get together, we do the leader call. Leaders. We are leaders.
Happy March, my Brookside family. I am here today with the Habits at Home. I am so excited. We're getting down to our last couple of habits now. We just focused on habit 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. And I hope you all took the time this month to seek first to understand. Very important. I hope you're enjoying March's Reading Month. And I am going to start off by listing our 3 winners for the month of March. These 3 friends were chosen by my awesome helper, Mr. Parsley, this month. And I have Audrey Eichelberger out of Mrs. Macias. She says that she listens with her eyes, ears, and heart wide open. I love that. Good job, Audrey. We have Ava Esch out of Miss Hathaway's classroom. And Ava said one thing she can work more on is by giving people her full attention and listening carefully. That's an awesome idea, Ava. My last winner is Emmeline Webb, and she said that she can show that she's listening carefully by looking at the person and listening to them. So that is Miss Emmeline Webb out of Mrs. Westman's classroom. Thank you to all of our kiddos that filled out their habits at home this month. Be on the lookout after spring break for Habit 6, Synergize. All right. And I look forward to seeing how you all synergize over spring break and in the month of April. Bye, guys.
Good morning and welcome to Walkabout Wednesdays. I'm Kara Schaefer, principal, and I'm here with two of our Lighthouse leaders today and in front of a huge pile of cereal.
I'm Verlene. I'm on the Student Lighthouse team. Thank you, families, for donating so much cereal.
I'm Lauren, and I'm part of the Student Lighthouse team, and we are going to send this to the Manna Pantry.
Have a great day.
Bye!
Hi, my name is Emerson, and I'm a first grader from Mrs. Massey's class. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Listen before you talk. First, I try to understand others. Second, I try to make others understand me. I take time to listen with my ears, eyes, and heart before I speak. I share my ideas in a calm, confident manner.
What time is it? It's time for
Glows
and Grows!
A glow is something that you are really good at. A grow is something that you need to work on. Here are glows and girls from Mrs. Jacobs' class.
My name is Mason and I have a glow. I have moved up to multiplication mathematics.
My name is Mason, and I have a glow. I am working hard on my math facts.
2.
What time is it? It's time for
Glows and Grows!
A glow is something that you are really good at, and a grow is something that you're working on. Here are glows and grows from Mr. Russell's class.
My grow is that I'm trying to draw better. My glow is playing nicely with my sister. My grow, I'm trying to do better at my spelling test. And my glow, I'm good at art.
I'm good at riding my dirt bike. I'm good at riding my dirt bike. I'm good at helping.
Hi, my name is Miss DeYoung, and I'm the art teacher here at Brookside Elementary School. And I just want to bring your awareness, if you haven't been to it already, there's a show going on at Artworks through the 24th, and there's a lot of really awesome artwork of the 2 elementary schools here, as well as the middle school and the high school. So it's super exciting that we can participate in that this year. This is our 2nd year of being in that, and so yeah, I hope that you can check it out. There are there's some other schools in the area as well. They have contributed. It's a pretty good show this year. So.
Hi, this is Mrs. King with the final wrap-up on March's Reading Month. We had a great month. We have reached our book reading goal very early, and now we're on to 7,000 books. So our first one was 5,000. We had no problem reaching that goal. Now, can we get to 7,000 by Friday before break begins? Also, this week is the last week to bring in any change for our splash pad and cereal for our Manna Pantry drive. We'll be busy counting the cereal and the change over break, and we'll let you know what our final results are when we get back from break on April 5th. So with that, have a great break, and thank you very much for making March's Reading Month a super month of reading.